Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on variable separable method using substitution. Let us start with problem number 3. Solve dy by dx, that is equal to sine of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Here again we have the angle x plus y that we are going to substitute it as v. Then we will check that whether we have dy by dx or dv by dx. We have dy by dx, so we are going to differentiate it with respect to x. In the next step, we have derivative of x as 1, derivative of y as dy by dx, and derivative of v as dv by dx. Here you can find the value of first dy by dx. That will be dv by dx minus 1. Now let us do the changes in the required sum. Here we have dv by dx minus 1 as dy by dx, and this will become sin v plus cos v. Taking minus 1 on the right hand side, we have sin v plus cos v plus 1. Now the next step will be separation of variables. So we have dv is equal to 1 plus sin v plus cos v into dx. Now this term will be divided on the left hand side. And after that we can integrate on both the sides. Now if you see the left hand side, the integration is Now if you see the left hand side, the integration is in the form of 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Such type we have already done in the chapter integration, but let us recollect. In that type we have put dx as 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, we have put sin x as 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos x as 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Here also we are going to do the same substitution, but only the variable will be v. Considering this as equation number 1, we can consider this integral as I. We have dv is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, sin v is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos v is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So let us substitute these three substitutions in the given integral I. After the substitution, we can take the denominator as a LCM of 1 plus t square. For that, 1 will be multiplied with 1 plus t square. After that, you can see 1 plus t square will be cancelled, and in the denominator we have minus t square plus t square, which will be cancelled, and the remaining part will be 2t plus 1 plus 1, that will give you 2t plus 2. Also, you can take 2 common from the denominator such that 2 will be cancelled. As you can see, after cancelling 2, the remaining part will be integral dt upon t plus 1. So let us substitute the value of I in equation number 1. Therefore, our equation number 1 will become integral dt upon t plus 1 is equal to integral dx. Now integral of 1 upon t plus 1 will give you log of t plus 1, and integration of dx will be x plus c. Here first we need to resubstitute t in terms of v, and after that v will be resubstituted in terms of x and y. As we know, the value of t was tan v by 2, and the value of v was our final answer will be log of tan x plus y upon 2 plus 1 is equal to x plus c. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.